to the Churchill War Rooms today, and every day in London I'm trying to take a different route. Let's see what we can find today. Right here's the Cubana, a little taste of Cuba right here in London. I had lunch there yesterday. This is the Lower Marsh Market, and it will be lined with great food for lunch here in a little bit. Big Ben, Westminster Abbey, and Westminster Castle are an amazing sight to walk up on. Now, opposite side of Westminster and Big Ben, on the other side of the river, is this ridiculously tall Ferris wheel. And no, I am not going to go up in it and show you it, but this is a really cool place as far as views of all of downtown London. Here we are right on them, and if you're going to visit them, make sure you get a ticket. Now, right in here are the famous telephone booths that you see everybody taking the pictures with Big Ben, and if you're going to do that, do it in the middle of the week, because there's a ton of people here trying to like do an all-home photo shoot around these things on the weekend. And there you go. Even during the week, I tried to take a picture, and two random strangers photobombed my picture. Now, I can't talk through the Churchill War Rooms. We actually have these headsets that tell us a lot about it, but I'll share a few clips along the way. All right, nobody's in here, so really quick, I know y'all would geek out on this. Here is the electrical room. This had its own electrical system.
Oh, really? Yeah. But they had to sell it because they lived in the homes.
Well, that was an absolutely fascinating tour, and I do highly recommend it if you are visiting London. And there is a cost to it. It wasn't much, but make sure you get a ticket ahead of time. One thing about visiting London is make sure you check the weather, because compared to where I'm from, it's exceptionally cold here, and it is the end of May. It's about 51 degrees Fahrenheit, and make sure you bring an umbrella too. Now I'm heading to Trafalgar Square. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Apparently, it's some really good views right there, and then on to the National Gallery. I'm not sure what the purple building is up ahead, but it reminds me of my daughter. Okay, I managed to get closer to it, and it's a mural painted onto this building, and yeah, we walk through it. Okay, I can't get into it easily. I may try to squirm around. Apparently there is one entrance over there, but right now they're going to have a big screen presentation of the UEFA soccer championship. I'm sorry, I am not in the US now. Football championship. You get a really good view of it from the National Gallery, which was my next stop. The entrance alone is worth walking into the National Gallery to see both the ceiling and the floor. I've learned to appreciate art a lot more as I've gotten older, but Amber would say I still have a long ways to go. But what I do appreciate is the architecture of this building. The next stop is Scenes in the Square, which should be a cool place. From what I understand, there are a lot of movie character statues there. Some of these you really have to hunt to find.
Somebody behind.
Supposedly Indiana Jones is somewhere around here, but I couldn't find it. But really cool place. We got the Wilborne Museum, we got the M&Ms, got a lot of street performers. Just really a lot of energy right through here.
Make some noise for this guy.
So I'm just realizing you really have to watch out and look for these because I just spotted Wonder Woman up here. I think she has like neon lights for for her lasso at night. Heading on to Chinatown. On the way I run into the Swiss clock and on into Chinatown, London. And I wish I could relay the amazing food smells in this video. But yeah, I'm about to stop and get some snacks. There's a place called the Butterfly Trail that sounds pretty neat. Now, this last stop, I have been here before, but it was raining, and when I come back, I can share it with my wife Amber. But we start with Mary Poppins and Bambi, and this is Neil's yard. It's just a really colorful little spot with a lot of shops in it. That's it for today's London tour, and if you don't know it, I don't normally do tours. This is my downtime channel where I just do off-the-wall subpar videos. So if you want to see what crazy thing I do next, then hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. See you later.